Welcome to this introduction to the Washington Wellness Program. I'm Kristen Steimanoff, and I'm the Washington Wellness Program Manager. This is the first module in a training that's made up of a series of short, pre-recorded segments you can watch at your own pace and in any order you like. The training offers a comprehensive picture of how Washington Wellness supports wellness coordinators and wellness champions across the state. We have designed the training with brand new wellness coordinators and wellness champions in mind, but it'll be useful for anyone who'd like to learn more about this program or for anyone who would just like a refresher about what we do. This module is meant to be a very high-level introduction to the Washington Wellness Program. By the end of it, you'll learn about what we do and what resources we have available. You'll also learn what to expect from the other training modules we've put together for you. Finally, you'll know how to reach out to us for support. First, a little bit about us. Washington Wellness is a program of the Washington State Healthcare Authority. We support over 800 organizations representing about 300,000 employees across the Public Employees Benefits Board, or PEB, program, and the School Employees Benefits Board, or SEB, program. Our program's goal is to build, grow, and sustain effective wellness programs. We aim to maximize good health and well-being, both at the individual and organizational levels. We do this by providing resources, trainings, and support to wellness coordinators and wellness champions at state agencies, higher education institutions, public employers, and school organizations across the state of Washington. Prioritizing well-being at work matters. When organizations and managers invest in well-being, employees feel more engaged. They understand that their employers care about them, and they can feel more prepared to bring their best selves to work, knowing they can also be their best selves at home. This can lead to better productivity among your employees. It can also lead to better retention because employees want to stay with you. Most importantly, a strong sense of well-being at work makes for a better experience for everyone, including any Washingtonians you serve. In the next several slides, you'll see screenshots from the Washington Wellness webpage. The links to each section are in the footer of the slides. These will help you navigate our program's resources on your own. But remember, there are 4 other modules in this training, and in those, you'll get a much deeper dive into what we're about. As I said in a previous slide, one of our aims is to maximize good health. This means helping people to stay healthy, reduce their risks for poor health, or manage conditions they might already have. Employee wellness programs can play a big role in that, and we have resources to help you build or strengthen a wellness program in your organization. We can also help you use Smart Health to make sure that your program gets to the much broader goal of enhancing overall employee well-being. You'll learn more about well-being in the Smart Health module, but for now, know that it encompasses physical and mental or emotional well-being, along with financial and work well-being. Finally, we can support your chronic disease prevention and management goals, especially around diabetes prevention and tobacco prevention and cessation. This section of our webpage walks you through the resources available for building a well-structured wellness program based on best practices. We created an online tool called the Smart Health Worksite Wellness Roadmap to help you plan and target key areas for success within your wellness program. In the Building a Wellness Program module, you will learn how this roadmap can serve as your wellness program's project plan, how it can help both new as well as more mature programs, and the 8 steps in the roadmap, which are all based on wellness program best practices. Smart Health is Washington State's voluntary wellness program that is included in the benefits package for PEB and SEB program subscribers and their eligible dependents. Smart Health offers a wide variety of activities that support whole person well-being, including managing stress, building resiliency, and adapting to change. By participating in Smart Health, employees and other subscribers can qualify for a wellness incentive. This section of our website gives guidance to organizations for using Smart Health to enhance their programs. It also points to sections of the website that give employees specific details about how they can access Smart Health. A bit further down the page, you'll see different tools you can use for encouraging your employees to use Smart Health to improve their well-being and qualify for their annual wellness incentive. The incentive is either a $125 reduction in the cost of their health insurance deductible, or for employees with a consumer-directed or high-deductible health plan, a $125 deposit into their health savings account. These resources include flyers, a video, and quarterly toolkits that are all packaged so you can share them quickly and easily with your employees. In the Smart Health Overview module, you'll learn all about how Smart Health works and how you can use it to support your own wellness program goals. Specifically, you'll learn about why whole person well-being matters and how Smart Health supports employees' well-being, and how exactly employees can qualify for that $125 wellness incentive by using Smart Health. You'll also take a virtual tour of the Smart Health platform and learn how the Washington Wellness Program can help you share information about Smart Health with your employees. Switching gears now, I'm going to show you information about the Diabetes Prevention Program. 1 in 8 adults in Washington has diabetes, and the prevalence is rising among youth in our state. It was the 7th leading cause of death in Washington in 2019. This section of the website gives you an overview of our diabetes prevention work. It also introduces the Diabetes Prevention Program, which is available to individual PEB and SEB program subscribers who are at risk for prediabetes. The Washington Wellness Program works to increase awareness about diabetes with employer groups and promote diabetes prevention for employees. We also participate in the statewide Cardiovascular and Diabetes Network Leadership Team. In the Diabetes Prevention module, you'll learn more about diabetes and the high disease burden and economic costs to the state. You'll also learn about diabetes prevention resources for your program and your employees. Here's some information about our work on tobacco cessation. Tobacco use is the leading cause of preventable death in the United States. Reducing tobacco and nicotine use is one of our greatest opportunities to help people live longer, healthier lives. This section of our website gives an overview of our tobacco prevention and cessation work. It provides information for employers as well as resources for employees who want to quit. Washington Wellness works to increase awareness about tobacco use and its impact. We provide education, toolkits, and resources to wellness coordinators to support their promotional efforts. We also promote the tobacco and nicotine prevention and cessation benefits available to employees and their eligible family members. In the tobacco module, you'll learn about how Washington Wellness works with the Washington State Department of Health Tobacco Program and other stakeholders to both prevent tobacco and nicotine use and provide support and assistance to those who want to quit. You'll also learn about resources and toolkits to help you promote tobacco prevention and cessation campaigns and share information with your employees about available tobacco cessation benefits. The Washington Wellness Program offers many additional resources. You can add this web link to your bookmarks and visit it regularly to see new materials we've posted for you. This page links to other pages of our website that include ready-made messages, toolkits, and more. When you're on this page, you'll be able to get to our Meetings and Materials page from the menu on the left-hand side. You can also visit the Find a Wellness Coordinator page to make sure your organization's wellness coordinator is listed. As I close this section, I want to introduce you to the Washington Wellness team. I introduced myself at the beginning. I'm Kristen Steimanoff, and I'm the Washington Wellness Program Manager. We have 4 health promotion consultants on our team who each support specific employer groups. Heidi Helsley supports schools participating in the SEB program. She also collaborates with partners across Washington to develop custom content for Smart Health. Erin Huff supports state agencies. Erin is also the lead for our diabetes prevention work. Ron Kim supports public employers. Ron also leads our work with the Smart Health Worksite Wellness Roadmap. And Pam Walker supports higher education institutions. Pam is the lead for our tobacco cessation work. Sarah Bell works for Limeade, the company that powers Smart Health, and works closely with Heidi to support SEB organizations. Sarah also works with the whole team to help us make the most of Smart Health. You'll meet all of our team members as you make your way through the various modules in this training. Thank you so much for taking this time to learn about the Washington Wellness Program. I hope you'll access all the modules in this training to learn much more and then contact us to help you strengthen your own program. Supporting the well-being of your staff is extremely valuable and rewarding. We are just a phone call or a quick email away. Until then, be well.